Good evening, folks. Now, as you just saw, I am currently standing still. I'm standing still on the motorway due to an accident. I hope everybody is okay. You might be able to see it in the distance there, the blue lights. Yeah, I hope everybody is okay. Anyway, I just wanted to do this short little video for one myth. I often hear this argument, I hope you don't get stuck in traffic because you'll run out of battery standing in traffic. Well, I've been standing still for probably about 20 minutes. Now I have my car in eco, but I have my heating on, I have my lights on, and I'm quite comfortable over here. Now, as you can see, my direct consumption right there is 0. But look at this. So this has been my consumption for the last 15 minutes. That's not a heck of a lot, is it? So where did this myth come from? Because I have no idea. To quote Captain America, I can do this all day.